We'll guide you through how to force Google Maps to take a certain route. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Maps, and so you're wanting to go and take a certain route. We're going to guide you through how you can go and force Google Maps to go the route that you want. So as you probably found, Google Maps goes and takes a route which is going to be the most direct by default. But you may go and have other plans and want to go a different way. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. To get started, come to the bottom right of Google Maps and press on the navigation or directions button. Then what you want to do is you can go and choose the starting point. I'll just do your location, but you could do elsewhere. Then you can choose where you want to go and end up. So let's go and say I wanted to go to Windsor Castle. I could tap that there. Choose your transport option at the bottom, by the way. Now, in this case, I want to go my own route. I don't want to go the ways it's suggested. I want to go all the way down to Bristol and then along the M4. So what we need to do to go about this is go to the top right and go and press the three dots, press edit stops, press add stop, and you can then go and type in a stop. So you need to go and look at the map here and choose a place which is then going to go and take you via the route you want. So let me go and type in Bristol. Now it's going to go and add it as the last option, as you can see. But if you come to the top, tap and hold the three lines to the right, and you can then drag it into the order you want it to be in and press done. And now, as you can see, it's going the route I want to. Of course, if it still doesn't do it quite right, you may need to go and add in another option and then just go and change the order of it. Just to give you another example, let's say I want to go via Salisbury. I'll press the three dots in the top right and press edit options, press add stop and go and type it in. Then I don't want this to be the end, of course. I want it to go and be before I get to Windsor Castle. So I'll tap and hold the lines and drag it in order, press done, and you go and get the idea. That's it.